Hi, this is Chinmayi. Today on I Love Skin, I'm going to be speaking to you about the Annie's Way Triple Roses Essence Supreme Jelly Mask. This is the 250 ml tub and this is the 40 ml single use sheet. Now, this contains the essences of the black, the red and the white rose, and what this promises is a lot of moisturization. It helps target fine lines and it also helps even out skin tone, thereby brightening it. So today we have a very lovely football player, Sripada, today on the channel. So I'm going to be applying this jelly mask on her and showing you how it looks on her before and after. So Shweta is going to be wearing the Triple Roses Essence Supreme Jelly Mask today. As I told you before, she is a football player and she's out in the sun, but thankfully she uses I Love Skin sunscreens. Yes, and there she smiles. Shweta is actually our very famous editor Radha's sister, so we basically call all our friends to be models on this channel. So this is the 40 ml pack of the Triple Roses Essence Supreme Jelly Mask, and this can be used on one time or you could even use this twice based on how your skin is and your face is. So she's going to be applying it thickly across her face. So this is a pretty thick layer of the mask, and we shall leave this on her face for about 20 minutes and then scrape it off and then wash it off. So it's about 20 minutes and it's time to scrape off the jelly mask from her face. We are using an existing spatula at home to take this off. You may use your finger or you may also use tissue paper to wipe it off. So this is after 20 minutes and you should be able to notice some amount of brightening after this. The skin is moisturized after using this because it contains hyaluronic acid, and the Triple Rose Essence also helps in nourishing and rejuvenating the skin. We hope that you like using the Annie's Way masks, which is available exclusively on I Love Skin in India.